How to switch from Verizon to T-Mobile. First of all, make sure your Verizon phone is unlocked. Most Verizon phones unlock automatically after 60 days from the purchase date, as long as the device is not lost or reported stolen. You can also check manually on an iPhone by going to Settings, then General, and About. If it says no SIM restrictions, your phone is already unlocked. If you are unsure, call Verizon customer service to confirm. After that, gather your Verizon account information. You will need your account number, the port-out PIN, your phone number, and the account holder's name and address. This information helps T-Mobile transfer your number without any issues. Next, check if your phone works with T-Mobile's network. Use their Bring Your Own Phone tool and enter your IMEI number, which you can find by dialing *606. Then, pick a T-Mobile plan that fits your needs and order a SIM card or use an eSIM if your phone supports it. Provide T-Mobile with your Verizon account information to start the number transfer. You can do this by calling T-Mobile or visiting a store. Once the transfer begins, insert the new SIM or follow the eSIM instructions. Keep using your Verizon service until the switch is complete. Your Verizon account will automatically cancel once the number transfer is finished, and you will receive a final bill. So this is how to switch from Verizon to T-Mobile. Like and subscribe if this helped.